Bananas and their peels have various beneficial applications in gardening. 1. Compost. The banana peels decompose quickly and add nutrients, especially potassium, to the compost. 2. Fertilizer. Bury banana peels in the soil near plants to act as a natural fertilizer, slowly releasing potassium and other nutrients as they decompose. 3. Liquid plant feed. Soak banana peels in water for a couple of days and use this water to feed plants. This banana-infused water provides nutrients, especially potassium. 4. Pest control. Burying small pieces of banana about 1 inch deep can attract and trap pests like aphids, which are then easier to remove. 5. Mulch. While not commonly used this way due to their rapid decomposition, you can use banana peels as mulch. They'll break down quickly, enriching the soil in the process. 6. Disease prevention. Potassium can strengthen plants and make them more resistant to diseases. 7. Rose food. Roses benefit from potassium. Burying banana peels at the base of rose bushes can boost their health and potentially enhance the color of their blooms. 8. Seed germination. Some gardeners use the inner part of banana peels to wrap around seeds before planting to enrich the soil around the seed and promote germination. 9. Plant shine. The inside of banana peels can be used to gently wipe and shine the leaves of indoor plants. 10. Accelerate composting. If you're looking to speed up your compost pile's decomposition, adding high potassium banana peels can help activate the breaking down of other organic matter. When using bananas or their peels in gardening, ensure they are free from any residue or stickers. Organic bananas are a preferable choice to ensure no unwanted chemicals are introduced to the garden.